Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg tuna sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 can of tuna, and 2 slices of your preferred bread. Don't forget your mayonnaise, a touch of mustard, and any seasonings you enjoy. Make sure you have a mixing bowl and a fork handy for easy preparation. This simple meal is perfect for a quick lunch or light dinner. Now let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the filling. Start by peeling and finely chopping your 2 hard-boiled eggs. Next, make sure to thoroughly drain 1 can of tuna to avoid a watery sandwich. Combine the chopped eggs and drained tuna in your mixing bowl. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of mustard for that classic flavor. Mix everything well until it's evenly combined. With our filling mixed, it's time to season it to perfection. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper according to your taste preferences. For an extra layer of flavor, you might consider a pinch of paprika or some fresh dill. Once seasoned, take 1 slice of your bread and spread the egg tuna mixture generously from edge to edge. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top to complete your sandwich. Your delicious egg tuna sandwich is now ready to enjoy. For easier handling, cut the sandwich in half, either diagonally or straight across. It's best served immediately to savor the fresh flavors and textures. Consider pairing it with a crisp side salad or a handful of your favorite potato chips for a complete meal. Store any leftover filling in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.